guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So it's just a quick vlog lang or quick information because on our previous vlog, di ba, we share na umuwi kami ng Pilipinas. And some of our fellow kababayan ay nagtatanong or they left a message or a comment and so we just want to answer these queries or information. So here is the information or question from our commenter from Miss Joyce Jaspe, and she's asking, "Hello sis, pagdating na po ba sa Manila Airport, maka-avail po ba ng balikbayan visa if kasama ang foreign husband?" This is really a good question for our Filipina or Filipino with a foreign partner na uuwi ng Pilipinas. As you can see, me and my husband ay umuwi ng Pilipinas. So, yes, my hubby avail a privilege for balikbayan visa for 1 year, guys. And the requirements for this, so if you want to avail, of course, you must go home together with your partner, your foreign partner. So, once you arrive in the Philippines, you just need to inform the immigration officer that this your partner is going home with you, together with you. Tell them na you like to avail the balikbayan free visa for 1 year, okay? Dapat kasama niyo siya. And of course, dun makikita sa passport if you're both married and both pares kayo ng ng last name, 'di ba? So they will give your partner a 1 year balikbayan free visa basta kasama niyo siya, guys. At kung sakali naman hindi kayo same ng last name sa passport, then for example, gamit mo pa din yung old passport mo, yung pagkadalaga mo, 'di ba? So hindi ka pa nag-change ng passport from your married na, 'di ba? And gamit mo pa din is yung old passport mo na pagka-single. So of course, they want to see if you're married, provide a PSA marriage certificate. Proof that you are really married, okay? So they can avail a 1 year balikbayan free visa, okay? So yan yung requirements lang if you are traveling or going home to the Philippines para makapag-avail sila ng 1 year free visa. 'Di ba? Kasi kapag hindi nyo kasama ang inyong mga foreign partner or sila lang yung umuwi ng Pilipinas, kahit may marriage certificate sila, alam ko kasi 30 days pa din yung ibibigay na free visa lang. So mas maganda kung kasama nyo siya ay maka-avail sila ng 1 year free visa para if they are staying more than 30 days, you don't need to apply and pay for the extension of the visa. So yeah, that's what the requirements only. If you want to avail a free visa, just inform the immigration officer in the Philippines that you like to avail for 1 year balikbayan free visa. So the next question na ating i-share or ipamamahagi sa ating viewers is someone also asked from our sister, Sis Nova. She asked, "Sis, what or ano yung need sa Pinas papasok at paalis? Kung ano daw yung mga requirements?" So it's also a good information or question na ating ibabahagi sa inyo. When we go home in the Philippines, yung mga requirements na pre-provide namin is, of course, number 1 is our passport. The next is plane ticket. And then, e-travel. Nag-fill up kami ng e-travel, guys. And then, also, as a Filipino, of course, your Auventas titel, di ba? So, yun ang isa pang requirements or bit-bit kong document pauwi ng Pilipinas. Si Habi naman, just his German passport and plane ticket, also the e-travel. Yun lang. E-travel Philippines. Pero guys, hindi na basta-basta yung e-travel ida-download. Kailangan, you need to go to this app na i-share natin dito.
Just easily go to Play Store, type eGov Philippines, and then install your eGov application in your phone. It's a free application, guys. You don't need to pay. Once you have already this, sign up if you don't have an account yet. So you can put your personal details like your name, Philippine passport, or your passport information, then your flight tickets, and then where you are planning to stay in the Philippines for the meantime, and then your Philippine contact number and your email address. If you don't have a Philippine number, just use for the meantime your relatives or family's contact number. So you can input only your contact number here. Important is your email address where you can get your QR code for your e-travel. And then guys, make sure na you will fill up this application or form 3 days or for 72 hours prior to your flight, okay? So you can easily show it to the immigration officer or in your airways kasi kailangan din nila to sa airlines na once na nag-check-in na kayo, kailangan nila tong makita. So dito sa eGov, makikita nyo rin tong digital ID na kung saan makikita nyo yung national ID nyo kung nag-process na kayo before. And kung hindi nyo pa na kuha yung pinaka-original card, you can easily click this digital ID and you can use this as a soft copy.
So, and again, the requirements if you're going home or the documents that you need to provide is, of course, your passport, Auventas title, plane ticket, return ticket, and then your e-travel. Pag pauwi na guys, from Philippines to Germany naman, nag-install or nag-pass pa rin kami ng e-travel pero hindi na kami hinanapan sa Thai Airways or ng immigration. Pero we still register in the e-travel. Pauwi and then I pay travel tax 1,600 plus yung binayaran ko from Philippines to Germany. So nagbayad ako ng e-travel tax 1,600. If you're asking bakit ako nagbayad, kasi yung Auventas titel ko guys is 1 year lang ang binigay sa akin. If you are using a Niederlassung Erlaubnis, that's possible you can avail the or free tax na siya guys. Pero dahil 1 year lang yung binigay sa akin, so nagbayad pa rin ako ng 1,600 for my travel tax. And I don't have problem on that for paying 1,600 because it's not really much. Kumbaga, small amount lang naman yan and I don't like to make it more complicated. So we just settled the 1,600 and that's it. So yeah, that's all the information that we can share to you guys and hope that you get idea how to, what are the requirements going home to the Philippines and going back here in Germany. That's all. And if you get idea on this, it help you, kindly share our vlog and don't forget to click the notifications bell and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always notified on our next vlog that we will share here. Thank you guys and thank you also for the question on this and so other can have idea. Thank you and God bless and tschüss!